So Nvidia is another example, and I'm going to leave everything in and zoom in on this for a moment because you can just see how crowded it is here with data. So you got down to that 50-day and then you just reversed, right? If you look at this particular pattern, someone could say, well, it's kind of like a morning star. Kind of, not really, but it kind of is. So then you have that coming across, you're over the 10, you're over anchored VWAP again. And I'm not a huge anchored VWAP guy because you can put them anywhere and then say, okay, see, it's there. I think you have to be very strategic with them when you have peaks and valleys. I think they can offer value because you're basically talking about where everybody is averaged into the price, which is right here. So you broke out of here and maybe you're going to go higher, but I'm not so convinced of this because we're not making that higher high, right? And so I would be a little more apprehensive. And even here, we're not making that higher high. So if you look at the indexes and what happened today, and we'll get into it in greater detail in a moment, we made that higher high. So we could say that they're underperforming, but if I wanted exposure to it and I wanted leverage, I could use this 3X bull ETF fund. And what that did was when we traded down today, we traded back up. Right? And now we're over that wick and now we're pushing. So that's really what I'm looking for. Now, if we get to here, okay, 22.28, you should be able to get above 22.28 and flip to it. And then you should be able to go to 26.30 and go from there. Okay. So I really think that that's something that I need to, really focus on, but you can get over that 22.28 and get to that 26.30 and push. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.